Hello, this, mod install thing is over ToManyItems. This is one of the most helpful mods you may ever get. Well, I think single player commands is, but you know, second most helpful mod. Okay, first of all, you go to minecraftdl.com and you search for ToManyItems, but I'm gonna put the link in the description. But then you go click on this link right here, and then you wait the 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! And then you press skip ad. And then you save. You save what you want to. I'm gonna save to desktop. Close that. Then I go to desktop. Here's what it is. Y'all are gonna have to go, and then you open R as WinRAR or 7-zip. I use 7-zip because I think it's better. You may not, but I do. And then you open that. Oh, dang it. Now you come down here to start, and then you type in run, enter, %appdata%, and you click that, and you go to .minecraft, bin, open Minecraft with 7-zip or WinRAR as same, and then if you haven't installed any other mods, you'll have meta-inf, which you need to delete, but I have other mods, so I don't have that. Then you drag these over here. And then that should be done. So, and just to let you know, a lot of times my Minecraft crashes, and it'll tell me that. So if this doesn't work, and it says Minecraft crashed, it's because it crashes a lot. And I don't know why. And yeah, my brother's just crashed over there. Okay, this should work. Now, see, it worked. And that's pretty much all. Now, bye.